Good morning, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook, and today we're going to have a look at the Explorer 14 by Camp Chef. Camp Chef is an American company who's recently started bringing their products to Australia. So today I'm going to dive in and have a look at this Explorer 14 and do an unboxing for you today, and we'll see what it's like when we open the box. Alright, so just open it up, I'm going to pull it out, but so far from what I can see, it looks really good quality. And I have looked around on the internet when I was looking at getting one of these, and I can tell you the reviews on these are really good. Alright, so I'm so eager to get all this out of the box and show you what's actually in here. So give me a second to open it all up and we'll have a look. Alrighty, so it's all open here now. So I've got the main unit, comes with a standard Australian adapter on it. Got the book, I've got the foreleg and the heat deflector and the bag that comes in. So very simple, let's put it together. Got the Explorer 14 set up here. Just got the windshield to put on. It's just got 4 tabs that just go on here. And that's it. So overall, it looks really good. It's got 30,000 BTU. It's got a couple of different attachments that you can buy to put on here. So you've got a hot plate and the barbecue and all those other sort of things. Now I'm going to wrap the video up here and I'm going to do another one testing it out very shortly, so stay tuned for that. I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook. Happy cooking.